We are in downtown Toronto in the King West area. My clients, Rami and Michelle, are young professionals, and they called Karin Bennett Designs when they were looking at renovating their condo. This condo is 15 years old and it was feeling dated. All the finishes were builder basic, and my clients love to travel. So they wanted their space to reflect them. They wanted to feel like a European hotel boutique vibe, and that's what our goal was. The main living space is about 500 square feet. So we didn't have a large footprint to work with, and inches really mattered in this space. One of the biggest transformations we did was changing the door that went from the kitchen into the unused den. This was just a dropping ground for clients' unused accessories and furniture and stuff like that. Closing up that door allowed us to have a longer expanse of counter space, which really looks great and gives them a bigger kitchen to work with. My clients wanted it to feel high-end yet usable. On the wish list for my clients was a 36-inch range. We designed the cabinetry with all the bells and whistles, which really used up all the functional space and then giving them a good 36-inch range. One of the things I love best about this kitchen is the larger island. We had a minuscule 2-foot island, which for my clients did not work for their lifestyle. So we were able to outfit this kitchen with a 7-foot island, and it makes such a difference in the space, and it feels larger. We thought having uppers everywhere would just feel a little bit too congested. So we decided to build a custom shelving unit, which I feel really opens up the space and allows the client to display their beautiful dishes and glassware. Above the island, we pushed the scale with these large pendants. Because the space is open, we felt like we could get away with it, and I love the way they feel sculptural without breaking any sight lines. I'm really happy with how our dining room turned out. We chose a glass dining table in this space so we could keep it really open and airy, and then we paired them with these beautiful walnut chairs, and it helps really pull the dining room together. Instead of a heavy wood cabinet that housed the TV before, we took that right out and had beautiful wallpaper on this wall. We did custom shelving underneath and then hung the TV right on the wall so it feels a little bit more recessed now. This sofa our clients fell in love with when they saw it. We customized this sofa to fit their space. It was actually so long, we had to get it delivered in 2 pieces and assembled on site, but I think it really works. The main bathroom is a huge transformation. It was so tired and drab before. Our clients wanted it to feel masculine and chic. We decided on beautiful matte black tiles for the wall. We brought that right into the shower, and then we wanted a beautiful floor tile. So we went with this black and white diamond marble, and I think it looks stunning. We didn't want this space to feel too cool, so we warmed it up with a beautiful custom walnut vanity. It plays well with the black and white feel and just looks really masculine and fun. The master bedroom is a great size for a condo. With the floor-to-ceiling windows, it even feels larger. We started with this beautiful gray tufted headboard that the clients already had and outfitted it with oversized nightstands which fit the space. We transformed the unused den into a beautiful walk-in closet / dressing room for these clients. We have custom cabinetry in there, which can house my clients' shoes and dresses and handbags. So it really helps with storage, and it looks great. We really wanted to give our clients a hotel chic vibe in this bathroom. We chose a porcelain tile that looks like marble, but it functions better for our clients. We used the same porcelain tile on the bathtub and then up the wall for a real seamless look. I love the fixtures that we chose. They're a modern matte black finish, which feels really timeless, and it ties in with our custom black vanity. The total cost of this renovation was $150,000. It ended up being a really sound investment because their condo increased in value by $400,000. This may sound like a lot of money, but we are in Toronto. It's an expensive area to live, and it's one of the most beautiful areas in the city. So for $150,000, it was a really good investment. My clients are so happy with this space. They really wanted a sophisticated yet modern Toronto vibe in here, and they're really happy with how everything turned out.